Uy, ganda dito. Wow! Nakatapak na ako ng Italy. Akalain mo nag-Korean restaurant sa Italy. Pwede ba isang lato? May Asian store po dito sa Trieste. Italy na to, di ba? Yes. Ang ganda naman. Yeah, we're in Italy. Trieste. Welcome to Trieste. Welcome to Trieste. Hindi na ako kasya sa kanila eh. Apat lang kasya eh. Siyempre, mag-giveaway ako sa mga bago.
Eh, bago ka naman eh. Bagong dating.
Sa bagay.
Susunod sumama ka na. Sana buong day off.
Ang ganda ng mga streets nila.
Buong day off. Umiinom na tayo sa may tabing ano. Aperon.
Yeah, they only made 2 songs. Maybe there's newer ones, I don't know. But like, one of the songs, never heard of it. Like, didn't know they had it. The other song, iconic.
Ang ganda naman dito.
I'm gonna play it for you later. It's iconic.
Pati yung mga lamppost nila, ang ganda.
We don't really have a lot of
Pogi. Pogi.
Pogi is handsome.
Yan, yan. Pogi.
P. Oh, Pogi. I thought it was like Pogi. I know.
Uy, ang ganda dito. Wow! Very nice. Very nice. Nakapag-parking na din. Diyos ko, ilang minutes tayong naghanap ng parking? I think 30 minutes kami naghanap ng parking. My goodness. Okay lang, okay lang. Grabe, gutom na gutom na. Ang hirap pala maghanap ng parking dito sa Italy, ha? Okay, finally. Oh, ano yun? May lumipad. Resibo.
Yan. Ano ko, cycling ko baka biglang
Mga yate doon. Nakatapak na ako ng Italy. My God! Italy! Finally! Nasa Italy na tayo. My goodness. Uy, ang ganda dito. Uy! Besa, nasa Italy na ako. Nasa Italy na ako. Tuwang-tuwa eh, no? Kain muna tayo. Ang ganda! It's so pretty here. Beautiful. Pero kain muna tayo. Gutomski na, Gutomski. Dito tayo kakain today. Korean restaurant. So Moon Korean restaurant. Akalain mo nag-Korean restaurant sa Italy. Ooh, very nice. So Moon. Pwede ba isang lato? Pwede isang lato. Pasok na sa bag natin. What's that? What's that again?
I
Jajangmyeon?
think so.
It's jajangmyeon. Ano yung sa'yo? Tofu?
Tofu.
Tofu strips. Ay, yung mga side dish nila. Wala pa yung amin. Oo nga eh, no? Yun lang ang hindi maganda kapag leather yung upuan. Pawis-pawis.
It's nice.
Ang ganda ng, ano yung dina?
Fried barbecue.
Dumpling.
Parang ganun.
Try natin ang jajangmyeon nila. Kimchi. Ang galing nila, marunong sila mag-Italian. Yung mga Koreano dito, marunong mag-Italian. Ang galing nila. Fairness. Ang galing nila mag-Italian, nakakita sila. Oo. It's very good. It's good.
Order please if you want meat. I want to do it.
Crap. Beef ano to? Fried dumpling. Beef fried dumpling.
Ginawa ni Manny, nakalimutan ko mo kagabi.
Nap. Really, really good.
Why was mine first?
Sorry?
Why was mine first?
I have no idea.
You're all starving.
Maybe that's easier to make.
Yeah. It just because we asked where the rice.
Ano to? Buckwheat noodles
I got it.
with chilled meat broth. Okay, you go. Try it. Come on. Uy, kuha kayo. Malamig siyang noodles chilled meat broth. They eat it for sa summer. Try.
Let me try first. It's your food.
No, it's okay. You go. Try. Yeah.
What's this? Is this apple? I think this is apple.
Yes, it is apple. Pero yung itlog nila medyo dry na. Go take some more.
Take
a lot.
spices of them. I just want to try it. Just to try. I can't grab it.
You can do it.
I can do it. I know I can.
Pawis na yung legs ko, eh. Take more. Why only that much? What do you think? It's okay? Okay.
Order meat.
The apple's good.
That was good with this one. Good for the summer.
Okay na.
Sarap.
Diba?
Bibimbap sa inyo. First time ko matatry ito. Oh, you know this song. Oh,
I know K-pop until like 2017, 18.
but after that,
I don't follow it as closely.
it's not as good as the songs before.
It's not that. I just don't follow it. I like I watch dramas and then I listen to music from the dramas. My favorite band right now is a Thai band.
Diba? Goblin.
Goblin? It's not that good to me. Oh my god, is that controversial? I don't know. I don't love it. But the soundtrack is great.
Ang sarap niya.
Double tap. Do you like it?
Yeah, do you like it with rice?
He would try it every day. But it's not the same.
Tapos na kami kumain. Ngayon, picture-picture naman kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Università degli Studi di Trieste. Okay, ano, photoshoot na. Photoshoot. Ang Social Harris.
Okay, game.
Ayun na. Picture. Ay, wait lang. Dito ka lagay, ah.
Ang hirap pala.
Photoshoot. Ayan, photoshoot. Yes! Naka-video yan. Kasama ka sa vlog.
Wow.
Kasama ka sa vlog.
21 years old lang
Yay!
yan.
21! Ilocos! Ilocos!
Ilocos region.
Norte!
Ilocos na sa Italia. Go.
Representative ng Ilocos Norte! Ako na pinicture ni Dani. Bagyo naman, bagyo.
Ayoko.
Bagyo.
Ayoko na, guys.
Oh, Cavite!
Pasok, Cavite.
Cavite! Dali, picture na kita.
Ang hirap mag-picture kapag sobrang pala. Ay, may gwapo po.
1, 2, 3.
Uy, ano ang posing, Dan?
Okay lang kahit na ano. May background. Yes.
Ayan.
Kita mo ako sa likod mo. Baka Paranaque naman. Paranaque naman. Camera mo. Paranaque naman.
Pero bahala mag-forward kasi.
Oh, Paranaque.
Dito kayo ba?
Representative ng Paranaque.
Dito ka dito ka, Berna. Gawin na ka dito. Dito ka, Berna. Dito ba na gitna? Dito may sarili. Side view.
Paano sa'yo?
Yan. Yung buhok ko.
Ang dami mo na photographer.
Ang hirap naman kumuha ng picture ng ganito.
Oh, gusto daw ni Kauntik ng ano, may picture na flag. O, dali na, go na. Representing Baguio! Representing Baguio! Dali!
Kasi yung hangin pag ganito.
Pag ganito ako?
O, dali, go!
Doon yung mag-picture.
Against the light?
Kasi yung hangin, ganito.
Pag ganito. Hindi pala kasama yung flag. Sorry ka.
Okay lang.
Gusto niya kasi kasama yung flag.
Picture lang ko nga rin.
Picturean mo na lang yung flag. May event dito mamaya. Oh. So, 3 estates. State.
Find this man for me.
O, ito na. Bookshop. Itong, heaven ni Sarah eh. Bookshop. Borsa. Ang ganda ng building, oh. Casa di Risparmio. Ang cute ng building. It's a museum of art in fashion. Yeah, it's Museum of Art in Fashion. Ooh, ang ganda dito. Oh, this is so nice. Love it.
Tayo mo picture, Rachel.
Look.
Take picture.
Oh, picture. Ang ganda dito sa Trieste. Kaso sobrang init ngayon. Pero buti na lang. Medyo mahangin-hangin naman. Na kami. Magboboba kami.
Mas paggabi, romantic.
Ay, oo. Dina, it's time. Maghanap ka na ng Italian. Iced tea. Ay, bubble tea. Bubble tea pala. Iced tea. Iced tea sinabi ko. Original. Asian store dito. Ito. Yan. Pero, wala nakalagay ng Asia. Yes, ito katapat nitong building na to. Tsaka yung building na yun. Yes, may Asian store po dito sa Trieste. Mostly Chinese. Chinese products. Uy, may mga ano oh. Merong for shabu-shabu. Nalobat na ang aking camera. So, ito na ngayon ang ginagamit ko. Ang fountain, oh. Wow! I like it. I like it, like it, like it. Kasama yung mga building. Yes. Nice. Napadaan kami sa Italian grocery. Ooh, sasarap po. Wine. Mostly. Crema de pistache. Cheese, mga cheese nila. Dito gusto ko makita to. Itong part na to. Oh my! Hey! Love it. Parmesan cheese. Bumili ako nito. Mandarinata. Sparkling mandarin beverage. Sobrang init kasi.